Hey everyone, it's Donna. Today we're diving into discovering your authentic personal style through mindfulness. Ever felt disconnected from your style or overwhelmed by trends? I have. Mindfulness can unlock a wardrobe that truly reflects who you are by being present and intentional. I'll walk you through simple mindfulness exercises to help you connect with your authentic style. Ready to embark on this journey of self-discovery? Let's get started. Our first exercise is reflection. Grab your journal and pen. Think about the pieces you love and why. Is it the color, fit, or how they make you feel? Also, note the clothes that make you uncomfortable. This is your safe space to explore your style. Next, let's tap into our sense of touch with fabric swatches. Close your eyes, feel each fabric, and notice the sensations. Do certain textures evoke comfort or luxury? This exercise helps you connect with materials that resonate with your authentic self. Let's get creative. We're making a mood board for our dream wardrobe. Cut out inspiring images from magazines and arrange them on a board. Let your intuition guide you without overthinking. This visual representation will remind you of the energy you want to embody through your clothing. Words have power, especially when spoken with intention. Create affirmation cards with positive statements about your style and body image. Place them around your home and read them aloud to embody their message. These affirmations will empower your style journey. Colors impact our mood and energy. Gather color swatches and observe each hue. Notice how different colors make you feel. Identify shades that evoke joy, calmness, or power. This exercise helps you create a wardrobe that feels amazing inside and out. There you have it. 5 mindful exercises to connect with your authentic style. Personal style is a journey. Embrace your individuality and express yourself with confidence. Try a mindful dressing ritual this week and see the clarity it brings. Let me know in the comments, what does mindfulness mean to you in personal style? Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Keep shining your beautiful light.